I shared a couple of landing pages a few days ago, and I have seen numerous requests on how to host this landing page on a server and how to also promote these landing pages to collect leads. Okay, and I actually in the video I explained how to do the whole process, but in this video I'm going to walk you through the process step by step, all you need to do and how to set up everything so the whole process runs smoothly. Okay, if you are interested, then watch this video to the end and you will find out how to do everything step by step. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to host this landing page on a server, and the best that I've used is GitHub, and GitHub allows you to host any landing page on their server for absolutely free, and they are also going to give you a free SSL certificate. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to github.com. So once you are on github.com, you want to sign up. You want to click on this sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button, you're going to see this box. You want to input your email. So I'm going to input my email. So now I have my email, and click on continue. Then you want to put your password and click on continue. Then you want to have a username. And this part is actually very, very important, because the reason why it's important is whenever you create a GitHub account, GitHub gives you a free domain, and the domain name is going to bear this username. So you want to make sure the landing page you are creating correlates with this username. Okay, I know this may not make sense, but it will in a minute. So now, for example, we are working with this Disney landing page. So now we want to make sure the name of the domain we are going to be getting relates to this landing page. All right, so what we want to do now is want to give it something related to Disney. So let's say, as you can see, Disney Plus is not available, so let's say Disney Plus 101. All right, that is available. Okay, so once it's available, then you click on continue, and then here you want to type N, and then you want to click on this start puzzle. Then you want to complete the puzzle. One more. All right, so you click on create account. So now they've sent a code to the email, so you want to check in your email and type in the code. So here it doesn't really matter, you can go for whatever you want. Is it just me? And continue, just continue. So now we are in our brand new GitHub account. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to click on create a repository. So now I want to name it the same username that we have right here. So you want to name it Disney Plus 101.github.io. So this is what you want to make sure your GitHub. So you want to name it your username.github.io. If you are working with maybe Instagram landing page, then you want to make sure it's instagram.github.io. So whatever it is, so that's what you need to do. It's very important you do that. Okay, so once you are done, you click on create repository. So once you're done, you're going to see this page. You want to click on upload an existing file. So once you are in this page, then you want to hold on. We actually need to go back to our CPA grip and create the locker. Okay, actually we should have done that before coming here, but let's do it now. So now we head back to our CPA grip account. So now once we are in the CPA grip account, you want to click on create new content locker and click on agree, continue, and then you want to name it Disney Plus. Okay, so once you've done that, then you want to come to this advanced, and then you want to click on redirect to URL. And also, don't make a mistake of going to the URL file locker. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. You need to make sure you are on content lockers, not URL file lockers. Okay, it has to be content locker. It's very important you do that. So now once you are here and you've chosen this redirect to URL, you want to come to this website, btv apk.org. As you can see, this is the official website of this app, and as you can see here, they have a version for Android, they have a version for iOS, they also have a version for Fire Stick, and I also believe they have a version for PC as well, as you can see here. So on this website, whatever device whoever comes to this website uses, they will be able to get this app for absolutely free, because I got mine on this page as well. All right, so now you want to copy this website, or you want to type it out. Okay, so after copying the website name, or you can just type it out, and you want to go back to your CPA grip account and then paste it there, is btvapk.org/new, and here you can choose whatever lead you require. Okay, if you want them to complete one offer or 2 offers, you can choose that here. So once you are done, that's all you need to do. Okay, and here you can change this place to complete an offer below to download app. All right, so once you are done with that, then you can click on save. Okay, so once you've clicked on save, you want to click on get code, and then you want to copy code, and then now you want to go back to, so now once you've copied the code, so you want to download the software called VS Code. All right, so you click on this download. As you can see, it's available on Windows and also available on Mac, and if you are on Android, you can download it. You can download a code, but I think I made a separate video on how to do this whole process on Android, so I may also leave a link in the description. If you don't have a PC at your disposal, you can use the method for Android. Okay, so once you download, if I click on this window, since I'm on Windows, it's going to start downloading right away. Okay, as you can see, it's downloading, so I don't need that. Since I have it installed already. So once it's downloaded, it's basically a straightforward installation. Just install it and that's it, no big deal. Okay, so once you have it installed, then you want to locate where the landing page folder is on your PC. Okay, this is the landing page folder here, and also I believe I leave a link in the description to this landing page. So you want to make sure you want to come to this index and right click. So once you right click on this index, you want to click open with Visual Studio Code, as you can see here. So once you click on that, the software is loading up. All right, so as you can see, it's opened. So now you want to scroll to the very bottom of the page. You want to make sure you scroll to the bottom. And also, I just saw something here that I think I forgot. The locker has to also be on click. Let me go back and check if we did that on our CPA grip. So now let's click on this Disney. So okay, as you can see, this load method needs to be on click. Okay, I actually forgot to mention that earlier. So you want to change this method, load method, to on click, and then save it. So once that is saved, you want to copy the code. So once you copy the code, then you want to go back to the VS Code, and then like I said, you can place this anywhere. Okay, you want to come to this 664 and then paste the script there, and then you want to click on file and then save. All right, so to know if everything works, you want to go back to the folder where the landing page is saved and double click on the index to open it. So now let's see if it has updated the script on the landing page. So now let's just test run it. So I'm going to be fast with it, and let's see. So as you can see now, it says bot-like behavior detected. Confirm that you are not a bot. Click button below. So let's click here if the locker will pop up. Alright, as you can see, the locker I made in CPA Grip completes an offer below to download app. As you can see, it's popped up, and once the person completes this offer, I get paid, and they will be redirected to download to this website where they can download the movie for absolutely free. As you can see, right, that is a pure win-win situation right there. So you want to go back to GitHub to upload. If you remember, we stopped at creating a repository. So now the next thing you want to do is you want to go back to that Disney Plus, and then you want to copy all of this, and then you want to drag and drop it here. Alright, it may take a while to upload these files. As you can see, it's uploading the files. Alright, the whole file has been uploaded. So now then you click on commit changes. Okay, so everything is done. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to click on this settings, and then you want to scroll down, click on check it out here. So once you click on that, this is your link. So if we click on this, as you can see here, this is our domain, disneyplus101.github.io. So if you refresh the page, as you can see, it loads the landing page. So now you're going to promote this website on Facebook. So if you come to this website, which I'll leave the link in the description, it shows you a list of the best 100 movies on Disney Plus. Alright, so you can just go through these movies and pick any of them. As you can see, there's a lot of movies. So if you click on, maybe use this Iron Man as an example. So you want to go to Facebook and type in Iron Man, and then you want to click on groups. So it's going to show you a lot of groups. Alright, so you want to do the same process for all the movies. So once you're in the group, then you want to make a nice post. Alright, so you just basically want to go to Google and type in Iron Man meme. So once you type in Iron Man meme on Google, then you want to look for a nice photo that you can use. So you can see there are a lot here. So let's go with this one, for example. So what you're going to do now is download this image. So now you save this image, and then you go back to Facebook and then make a post, and just post the meme. So once you post that, as you can see, it's not promoting anything. There's no link attached to it. Most likely the admin will definitely approve it. Okay, so after the post has been approved in the group, just like this one, as you can see, this one has been approved in this group. Once your post or image has been approved, you want to come to the comment section, and then you want to use this script that I made. As you can see, it says, I just found out a friend of mine has been using this app to watch Disney Plus movies all day long for absolutely free. See screenshots of the app below. You too can get the app here. So this is where you are going to paste in your GitHub link. So you can see here. So if you copy that link and then you paste in the link here, you want to go back to Facebook and paste in the post. As you can see here, I can add an image. If I click on that, I already got a screenshot of the app. So now I'm going to upload the screenshot of the app with it, so that people will see the screenshot as well. And that is how you can start driving traffic to them. As you can see, Facebook did not ban this link at all, as you can see here. So as you can see now, I just replied to this post. So you want to literally do the same thing for as many replies, but you don't want to overdo it. Okay, and you can use the script I made, which is this one. You can use this script if you want, and if you don't want to use it, you can just say play reply to any of the posts or images on the group, and then you want to leave a screenshot, and then you want to leave a link to the landing page. So you can see Facebook did not block the link. If I click on it, as you can see, it directs me to the landing page. So that's how you can get free traffic and free leads. So if I click on this image, as you can see, this is a screenshot from the app. So people would want to know where and how I got the movie for free. And if you find any value in this video, of course, drop a like on the video